So right now, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Go High Level CRM. So you need to go here in marketing and then go to planner. So you can see here we already scheduled and publish in different platforms. So in the previous video, I teach you how to connect your socials in this planner. So now we are going to schedule a post for this different socials. So just click new post and then create new posts. So you can also use a social planner templates, content AI, so whatever do you want. But for me, I always prepared already my post for this social medias. So now that's why I'm going to create new posts. And then you need to uh, select what social medias do you want to use. So remember, the if you are going to post only like words or graphic, you cannot use TikTok. So right now, what I prepared is only a graphic and words that I want to post in my social. So that's why I'm only going to post this in my Facebook, in my Instagram, in my trends, and also in my LinkedIn. You have also the option to customize this for each channel. But right now, no, I will not do that. And this is the one that I'm going to post. So I have this hook already. So um, you can see I use ChatGPT to help me to create this post. And then, so I have this hook and then the content. All right. And then my call to action and my hashtags. All right. So right now, I only have the character limit. So I only, so, okay. So what I'm going to do is I will edit this uh, comment system. All right. And then I will add now my media, so you can create image using AI or upload. So right now I'm going to upload a picture from my computer. All right, click that and then click insert file. All right, so you can see here, this is the preview of how this gonna be look like. And also you have this, the Instagram. It will also show you also in your trends and also in your LinkedIn. So if you are already satisfied with that, you can now schedule that. But usually I also put a follow-up comment. So for example, your link, about this, if you have lead magnet or a landing page that they you want them to sign up, so you can do that also. automatic just add it there. And then you can also like post as a PDF file, a PDF document, so you can do that. So now I'm going to schedule this. Okay, schedule post. I think for Thursday, I think I already have scheduled for tomorrow and Thursday, and then usually I schedule this 9 a.m. All right, and then click schedule post. All right, so that's it. So that's how easy you can create or schedule a post using our CRM.